Have you ever paused to consider, in a world that often prioritizes youth, how invaluable the role of women over 50 truly is? This question isn't rhetorical. Our society tends to overlook the wisdom, strength, and resilience that these women embody, but today we're shifting the focus to them. Let's take a journey through the lives of a few remarkable women over 50 whose stories are bound to inspire us all. Consider the story of J.K. Rowling, the author of the beloved Harry Potter series. Despite facing many hardships, she penned her first book in her 30s. Now in her 50s, she continues to inspire millions with her writing and philanthropy. Then there's Julia Child, the renowned chef and author. She didn't write her first cookbook until she was 50, yet her influence on home cooking remains immense. And let's not forget about Diana Niad, the long-distance swimmer who at 64 became the first person to swim from Cuba to Florida without a shark cage. These women and countless others like them redefine what it means to be over 50. They shatter age-related stereotypes with their accomplishments, proving that dreams have no expiration date. But it's not just the famous women over 50 who deserve our admiration. Everyday women in this age group play crucial roles in society, whether as mothers, grandmothers, mentors, entrepreneurs, or volunteers. Their wisdom, resilience, and compassion shape the world in ways that often go unrecognized. So, what have we learned today? That age is just a number, and that women over 50 are a force to be reckoned with. They have the wisdom of years and the strength of experience. They are the backbone of society, providing invaluable guidance and support. In the end, it's important to remember that every woman over 50 has a unique story. These stories are a blend of triumphs, trials, love, loss, courage, and resilience. And each one is a testament to the indomitable spirit of women. So, next time you meet a woman over 50, remember to see beyond the years. Recognize the wisdom, the strength, and the beauty that comes with age. After all, these women are not just surviving in a world that often overlooks them. They are thriving, and they are inspiring us all to do the same. You matter.